Now this tomato and sausage orzo has got a bit of a Spanish-Italian feel to it, with the addition of tomatoes, olives and capers, and also lovely little bites of orzo pasta. Now for the sausages, you can use whatever sausages you like, plain ones, you can use chicken, you can use vegetarian sausages, or you can even use spice sausages. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with those sausages. So I've got 6 medium pork sausages here. We want to cook them until they're nice and brown. So you can do that under the grill, or you can do that in the air fryer like I'm doing. While those sausages are cooking, we want to heat up a tablespoon of oil in a large frying pan over a medium heat. Add in a diced onion and a thinly sliced red bell pepper and green pepper. And we're going to cook those for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring regularly until the onion starts to soften. Now add in 2 minced cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, and a tablespoon of tomato puree. And stir all that together. Cook for about a minute. Next in goes a 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of finely chopped tomatoes, plus 360 ml or 1.5 cups of chicken stock. Stir it all together and bring to the boil. Now add in 200 grams or 7 ounces of orzo pasta. We're also going to add in 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of mixed olives that have been pitted and sliced in half, a tablespoon of drained capers and 12 cherry tomatoes that have been sliced in half. Now stir all that together and reduce the heat so the liquid is simmering very gently. Place a lid on and cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until that orzo is cooked through. By now the sausages should be cooked, so we want to place them on a chopping board and cut them into thick slices. Once the orzo is cooked, remove the lid from the pan and add those sliced sausages plus 50 grams or 2 packed cups of mild rocket. Stir it all together. It should wilt a little as you stir it. And now we're ready to serve, so divide the orzo between bowls and we're ready to go. No need for toppings on this one as it's already got so much flavour in there. And that's my tomato and sausage orzo, absolutely packed with flavour, and it makes a brilliant midweek meal. Now if you love sausages for dinner, then why not try out my sausage and mustard pie here or my sausage and bean casserole here. See you next time.